Computer science videos here today to show you guys in tutorial 48 how to repost your IG story on Instagram using the application called GRIDS for Instagram using a computer. Without further ado, let us start the video. So the first thing we need to do is go all the way down to the dock, click on the application called GRIDS, and then make sure we have a story that we posted to Instagram. If you're not sure how to do that, go to the previous tutorials. And now we can click the IG story. And then go to the three dots on the right bottom corner of your screen and click on Share as Post. We can then crop the IG post to a square suitable for Instagram and then write a caption, hashtag my IG story repost, hashtag computer science videos post. Go to my profile, click on the post. And so in the previous tutorial, we were able to post a story to Instagram and download that story. And then we were also able to repost the story to our Instagram page as a post. Wrote a caption with a hashtag. That's it for this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now.